Hello, my name is Marco Bonici, and this is my talk about how I am employing Julia to speed up my research. In particular, I am a cosmologist. I'm working for the Euclid mission of the European Space Agency. My research interests are related to the large-scale structure of the universe, the theoretical predictions about cosmological probes such as cosmic voids, weak lensing and galaxy clustering, and Bayesian data analysis when we compare the data taken from, for instance, galaxy surveys with theoretical predictions. In particular, during my PhD, I developed a Python-free code to analyze cosmological datasets, but then, thank you to a tweet by Marius Milea, I met Julia. In order to learn Julia, I decided to translate my Python-free code, and it was amazing since with no prior Julia knowledge, in about 1 month, I managed to rewrite my entire code, and I obtained a remarkable speed up. Now my new code is about 20 times faster. Now I also want to extend the functionality of my Julia code. In particular, I want to perform high-precision cosmological predictions. Usually, in cosmology, due to the lack of computational resources, are performed several approximations. But now, with my Julia code, I should be able to chop out those approximations. Then, I want to even speed up more my code, building an emulator that I'm building with the Flux library, and then I want to implement also in my code advanced samplers such as Hamiltonian Monte Carlo or variational inference from Turing. I plan to release soon the first version of my code. Here are the link to my GitHub and Twitter account. I thank you all for your attention, and I hope to hear you soon.